How time travel will change the future in Boruto. Today I've got a bunch of Boruto time skip theories to discuss along with the possibility of time travel and parallel universes. So don't forget to subscribe, and without wasting any more time, let's begin. This theory discusses the possibility of Boruto's right eye losing its vision after someone finds out about the Jogan and tries to slash it out, which leads to the scar, and the vision is lost completely as well. Boruto then somehow regenerates the Jogan but in turn loses complete vision in his right eye. Maybe that's why he keeps his right eye closed in the flash forward scene when he's not using the Jogan. This theory clarifies why Momoshiki will never be friends with Boruto, as some people are speculating their relationship could be like Naruto and Kurama. But unlike Kurama, who was sealed within Naruto against his will, Momoshiki willingly chose Boruto as his vessel because he had a goal of resurrecting himself through Boruto's body. The Talk no Jutsu would never work on an Otsutsuki like Momo, as he would gain nothing by staying by Boruto's side. A selfish and heartless monster like him will never change himself for the good. We all know how much affection Kawaki holds for Naruto, and this raises the question that what in the world went wrong during the time skip which forced Kawaki to take this extreme step of killing or more possibly sending Naruto somewhere. According to this theory, it is actually Kawaki who is the protagonist of the series and Boruto is the delusional one who will get corrupted. This could be the reason why Kawaki decided to send all the shinobis to some other dimension along with Naruto in order to save them from Boroshiki's rampage that Boruto was unaware of. In other words, Boroshiki would be too demonic to handle, and as a last resort, Kawaki would have no other choice but to send everyone else to his own dimension in order to face off Boroshiki alone. But Boruto would still go against Kawaki's plan, which would make him ask him if this was actually the only possible outcome. The first ability that Jogan would have could be Rewind, the ability to put a timestamp on a desired moment in order to restart the time from the previous timestamp whenever the user wishes. The second ability could be Inception or Deception, the ability to insert or extract an idea from someone's mind without their realization of it. If done successfully, an enemy can be turned into an ally in a matter of seconds. The third and final ability could be Reflect, similar to Demon's ability revealed in recent chapters, but Jogan would allow the user to willingly reflect the ninjutsu, genjutsu and fuinjutsu abilities, give the user an instant upper hand in battles. This could be a huge help against the Otsutsukis, as their abilities are too harsh to handle for an ordinary shinobi. Since Momoshiki can hear all the conversations, what if he kills Code himself so Boruto hasn't got someone to resurrect from? Then at the last minute, Sasuke lets Boruto implant a karma on him and becomes his vessel, as he's prepared to do anything as his teacher. This also explains the fact about the cloak and the sword. Now the only question which remains is whether Boruto will get his Sharingan as well or not. So this theory suggests the idea of Amado being Kawaki from the future. What if Amado, a future Kawaki from another timeline, come back to the past to convince the present Kawaki to get the new karma in order to save the future from destruction? But instead of being a savior, Kawaki messes up and ends up becoming the main bad guy of the present timeline. This could also mean no matter whether Kawaki takes the karma or not, the future of the shinobi world is doomed either way. If you have watched this far and haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and join the notification squad. Apart from coming from the future or being a really brilliant scientist, there is also a possibility for Amado to be the Otsutsuki king himself. Check out this video to find out everything about this theory.